Hello, my name is Prashant Chandrasekhar. I'm Vice President and General Manager of our Managed Public Clouds business at Rackspace. I'm here with James Staten, Vice President and Principal Analyst of CIO Research at Forrester. We're really happy to be talking with James today about cloud-enabled digital transformation and how companies like Rackspace have really enabled and are enabling on a daily basis companies all around the world to accelerate their transformations at a very, very large scale. So James, just to kick things off, we talk to a ton of enterprises all around the world that are looking to adopt the cloud in some form or fashion. So I'd love to exchange some notes with you on that. Curious about what you're seeing across all the companies that you speak to, then happy to share my own perspective.
Yeah, what we're definitely seeing now is that it's really approaching the second stage of cloud adoption for enterprises. It's no longer a question of, are they going to use the cloud? Are they struggling with cloud disrupting IT? No, now it's about they're all using it and they're all using multi-cloud and they're all recognizing the value that cloud platforms can provide, not only for the migration of their existing on-premise applications if they're trying to get out of the data center business, but as the fuel for their innovations that drive their digital transformations.
Yeah, that's very much in line with what we're seeing. I think if we think about the technology adoption curve and S-curve, we see I think the cloud is really very much at the top end of that slope, if you will, where companies absolutely have it on their agenda, CIOs specifically, and CTOs and CFOs. And even CEOs in many cases. They have it on the agenda. Everybody wants to really think about their cloud strategy. Many of them are in execution mode around this topic. So it's very much it's not it's more of, how do they go and execute with speed? And many companies are actually really pushing the limits that we've seen around, much more advanced topics on the cloud to really exploit the powerful capabilities of this innovation in this era. So it's phenomenal to see.
Yeah, and much as you noted, in the first wave, they were viewing it mostly as infrastructure as a service. So they saw it as a way to get more agile application delivery at lower cost and one that's a cost per consumption model. Now they've stepped up and they're starting to realize this isn't just about application hosting. There are AI services, data services, machine learning capabilities, and other application services that can really help them drive a full innovation architecture. And so that is really how we're seeing them change their approach to the clouds and going much deeper in the use of services.